Hello everybody, this is Pippin from Keep It Simple, and today we are going to work through a question from Edexcel Paper 1 Mock Set 3. This was question 6 on the paper. ABCDEFGH is a regular octagon. ADJ is a straight line. There's a straight line. Angle BAD is equal to angle CDA. So this angle here is equal to this angle here. Show that angle CDJ. Oh, so this angle here, let me draw it on so you can see it. So this angle here is 135. So let's imagine we don't know the size of this angle. So this is the angle we got to try and work out or show that it's 135 degrees. Let's start by underlining the keywords in the question. Regular octagon. ADJ is a straight line. Angle BAD is equal to angle CDA. I've pretty much underlined the entire question. So let's start by trying to understand what topic this is. This is, I think, most definitely the sum of the interior angles. So n minus 2 times 180, where n equals the number of sides. So this is what you should know before you attempt a question like this. And we know that the sum of exterior angles should equal 360 degrees. So before you attempt a question like this is your knowledge. N minus 2 times 180. So for example, if you have let's say a 6-sided shape, so 6 take away 2 is 4. 4 times 180, that will give you the sum of all the angles, not one of them. It will give you the sum of all the angles. And this is a fact. Some of the exterior angles always add up to 360, and I'll show you what an exterior angle looks like. So this angle here is an exterior angle on this shape. So it's the angle on the outside. Now, one of the facts that we know is that the exterior angles always add up to 360. This is an octagon. It has 8 exterior angles. I know that they should all add up to 360. So 360 divided by 8 should give me the size of this angle here. So 360, let's half that, that'll give me 180, half it again 90, half it again 45 degrees. So what that means is this exterior angle here is 45 degrees, and that's 45 degrees all the way around. You're gonna have 45 degrees all the way, 8 lots of 45. If I use this 45 degrees, I can work this angle out here, because I know angles are at a point on a straight line add up to 180. So if this is 45, this angle here must be 180 subtract 45. So 180 take away 40 is 140. Take away 5 is 135. They tell you that ADJ is a straight line. So that means this side length here and this line here are parallel. Therefore, this angle here and this angle must be alternate to each other. So if this angle here is 135, this angle here is 135 degrees. Now we have to write that down. So BCD is equal to CDJ, which is equal to 135. They are alternate angles, and that is the most efficient way to work this question out. Another way you could have worked this question out is if you worked this angle out, you could have worked out this angle here, which is also 135, and then these two angles are the same, and you know that angles in a quadrilateral add up to 360. Once you worked out this angle, take it away from 180 and it would give you this angle here, 135. Another way you could have worked this question out is if you use this top formula here, n minus 2 times 180, that would have given you this angle here of 135, and then you could have used alternate angles, or you could have worked this angle out here. So there's about three ways to work this question out. Each way will give you the full marks. I hope this video was useful and you learned something. Please hit like and subscribe. Peace out.